I have the Google Pixel tablet and I'll be showing you how to record your screen. Now, it's very fortunate that we do have a built-in screen recorder and we don't need a third-party tool or app. So to record your screen, all you have to do is first of all swipe down from the top of the screen to reveal the notifications on this side and the quick settings on this side. Now in the quick settings, you should have a screen recorder. But in case you don't have it, all you have to do is tap on this little pencil, this edit icon, tap on it. And then here you have extra quick settings, which you can drag to the main quick settings area. So look for your screen recorder. Should be somewhere. Here you are. So it's called screen record. So all you have to do is long press on that icon and then drag it to this section at the top here. Okay, and then release. And as you can see, it's been added there. And now you can hit the back button and go all the way back to your home screen. So now, from now on, when you scroll, you should see the screen recorder there. So to start your screen recording, tap on that icon, and then it's going to give you this prompt asking you a few things about the screen recording you want to record. So do you want to record audio? If you tap on this drop down, you have the option to record only device audio or only microphone audio or both device audio and microphone. So you can choose which option you want. I'll choose this. And then you have the option to show touches on the screen. So as you touch on the screen, do you want it to be captured in your screen recording? I'll enable that and then tap on start. Now you should see a 3-second timer here, 3, 2, 1. So now it's recording. The microphone is also recording, hence the green dot in the top right corner. And also you can see this red dot here telling you that you're currently recording the screen. So now everything I'm doing, everything I say, all the sounds, and as you can see, the touches are also being recorded. Whatever you do now is being recorded in our screen recorder, including any internal sounds or media sounds that I play on the Pixel tablet. When you're done, simply scroll down again from the top. And at the top of the notifications bar, you should see recording screen. Tap on the drop down arrow and then tap on stop. And that's going to stop the screen recording and save it. Now all your screen recordings are found in the Photos app. Okay, so this is your main gallery app for the Pixel tablet. So tap on the Photos app. You can either tap on it from there or you can go to the main menu and find the Photos app. Okay, now let me just close it so we can open it afresh. Photos app, tap on it. That opens your Google Photos. So what you want to do here is go to the left hand side panel and tap on device. Okay, and this will show you all the media on your device. So you have camera, which stores your photos and videos you took with your camera, and then you have movies, which saves all your screen recordings, and then you have that folder for screenshots. So let's go to movies, and this is where you'll find all your screen recordings. So if you play 3, 2, 1, so now it's recording. The microphone is also recording, hence the green dot in the top right corner. And also you can see this. So there is your screen recording. And if you look closely at the bottom here, you have the option to share, you have edit, and you have delete. So if you tap on edit, you can actually crop this video. You can change a few things like aspect ratio. You can actually go ahead and edit, remove some parts of the video, the parts you don't want. Like this part where we were stopping the recording, you can remove that. And then tap on save. Okay, so that's basically how to record your screen on your Google Pixel tablet. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.